Welcome to Kintamani Adventures Hide in Nature Lodge, a sanctuary where the spirit of Bali unfolds and reservations are effortlessly secured via the QR code or the detailed description accompanying this presentation. Here, amidst the verdant embrace of the Balinese highlands, your escape transcends the ordinary. Picture yourself immersed in a world of unparalleled tranquility, where meticulously landscaped gardens flourish, offering a sensory symphony of vibrant flora and soothing natural sounds. Wander along pathways that meander through this Eden, a serene setting ideal for moments of quiet contemplation or revitalizing yoga sessions. For those inclined towards playful pursuits, the lodge's expansive garden area offers a versatile canvas. Engage in friendly competition with loved ones, perhaps a spirited game of badminton, or simply recline on the soft grass with a captivating book in hand. As twilight descends, the gardens transform into an enchanting haven. Gather around a crackling bonfire beneath a canopy of stars, sharing stories and laughter, creating memories that linger long after your departure. At Kintamani Adventures, every detail is curated to enhance your experience. Indulge in the finest culinary delights, sourced locally and prepared with passion, reflecting the genuine flavors of Bali. Discover accommodations that perfectly blend elegance with comfort, each designed to harmonize with the surrounding natural beauty. From your private haven, you can easily access the region's most captivating adventures and cultural treasures. Allow us to curate bespoke experiences tailored to your desires, ensuring an unforgettable journey. To begin your journey of discovery and to secure your place in this haven of serenity, simply scan the QR code now.